Welcome to the Crypto Market Minute. I'm Doug. Let's get to the charts.
Nothing much has changed. We're still down here in this channel in what I think is developing into a phase one. As you can see here, we have been moving down and we've moved sideways and we've down, and we've been going sideways here for about 6 months. Nobody seems to care about it at all.
I'm feeling mighty low.
Don't see any volume. Now obviously if we break down here, I'm sure the volume is going to pick back up here, but we want to take a look at some of these measurements here. So right now you can see we're just kind of moving sideways in a very flat and uninteresting way. If we go in and if we draw in some lines here, you can see that this first move here from the top of this channel down here to this one, the bottom of this one, that's about $10,000. Interestingly enough, if I go in and copy that and just paste it, notice I didn't redraw it. Well, amazing, look at that. It's about the exact same move there. So we can assume then if we do break down through here that it would be again about this size move, since that appears to be the size move that it makes when it does a breakdown, and then that'll take us down here. This one took us from 40,000 to 30,000. This one from 30,000 down to 20,000, so we can assume that this would again take us down to the $10,000 range, $8,000 to $10,000, which is the numbers that we had talked about previously. Right now, things seem to just be going sideways, just kind of not really interesting. Nobody seems to be panicking and dumping it, but like I said, if we break, I would expect that it'll go this far down here to the bottom. If we do decide to start buyers stepping up and push this thing higher, then obviously we've got levels of resistance here that we need to get through. The first one's going to be, getting back up here to this 22,000 area. Then the next area of resistance is going to be up here about 25,000. And then, of course, above that, then we're back up to the 30,000 range. But before it gets, we just have to have somebody start taking some interest in this before I see really any upward movement going right now. Nobody seems to be too interested in buying or selling. It just seems to kind of be moving along sideways in a very uninteresting manner. We'll keep an eye on it and we'll watch it candle by candle like we always do, and we'll do our analysis here. But right now I would say things are again neutral to possibly bearish, because if we break here, I guarantee you the volume is going to pick up and we'll get heavy selling coming in, I imagine.
Well, that's all for this morning. As always, remember to like and subscribe. And of course, if you have questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. We'll see you back here on The Grasp.